Hi everyone, I am Gil and I'm excited to give you a quick tour of our new ActiveCampaign community so you can jump right in and start connecting with fellow members. When you first land on the homepage, you notice Search Everything ActiveCampaign front and center. And this is one of the most powerful features of our new community hub. With Federated Search, you have instant access to everything ActiveCampaign in one search bar. Whether you're looking for help with a specific automation, wonder if a feature exists, or want to see what other customers are saying about a particular use case, just type your question. It pulls results from community posts, help articles, guides, product updates, feature requests, and more. No more jumping between different sites. This is one-stop search for everything ActiveCampaign, right from the homepage. Now let's talk about quick links. These are your main hubs for getting involved. Community is where every conversation happens. Ask questions, share wins, troubleshoot challenges, and learn from peers and ActiveCampaign team members alike. Resources gives you access to customer stories, guides, tutorials, prompt guidance, and active intelligence education. Everything you need to get the most out of the platform. Ideas is your innovation hub. Submit feature requests, vote on what matters the most, and see what's being built based on your feedback. Your voice directly influences our product roadmap. Product updates keeps you on the loop on new features, improvements, and releases, so you're always up to speed. Groups let you connect with others based on shared interests, whether that's your industry, use case, language, or specific product feature. Find your people. Partner Community is our dedicated space for our ActiveCampaign partners to collaborate and access partner-specific resources. Events showcases everything coming up: webinars, workshops, AMAs with our product managers, live training sessions, and more. Great opportunities to learn directly from our team and connect in real time. If you scroll down below the quick links, you see some feature posts. A great place to start your community journey. Read about what to expect and introduce yourself on Alana's welcome post. We would love to hear from you. And below that, you'll find the main community forum where all the conversations are happening. You can also get to it anytime through community dropdown in the main navigation or through quick links, whichever works best for you. And that's your quick tour. Here's what I would suggest you doing first. Go introduce yourself on Alana's welcome posts. I'll drop the link in the description. Then explore groups, ask questions, and make this community your own. We are so glad you're here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.